I've grown up around cars, and I have many memories of my friends and family working on vehicles, so it was a natural choice for me to come to Sentinel.
If you want a program that can take you places, check out Automotive Technology. Whether you've always loved cars or have no previous car knowledge or experience, this program focuses on teaching you the right way to make repairs to one of your most valuable possessions, your vehicle. We're known for professional-grade everything, including our tools, equipment, and instruction. We are the first stop for our local business partners seeking employees, as they know that what we do in the classroom mirrors what they are doing in the industry. Job opportunities are plentiful, and the experience this program offers will put you at the next level and prepare you to directly enter the workforce or set you up to further your education in the automotive field. Vehicles are ever-changing, and technology advances are fast and furious. But we are revved up and excited for you to join this program and see the exciting places this field will lead you.
I have no doubt that I will be leaving this program knowing more than what I came in with, and I plan on passing my knowledge on to those who are interested.